What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So yeah, as you can see here, we pick up two new toothbrushes, Philips Sonicare. So this is the DiamondClean, their classic edition. I owned one of those before, but my wife accidentally dropped it on the floor, the toothbrush, and then it stopped working. I'm not quite sure what happened inside, but I look online to see if I can fix it. It seems like very complicated to even open it up to get it out and try to fix it myself. So we're like, okay, this is on sale, so let's just go ahead and buy one. This is newer model too, so newer must be good, right? Anyway, but she never had one of this. She has an Oral-B toothbrush that's getting really old. Since they are on sale, we pick up one each for us. Okay, so now I'm gonna unbox them and let's see what's inside. So here. So they include one toothbrush head, the handle itself. This glass, it has substance. It's heavy and it feels good in your hand. I always like the glass. And this is the charging base. So basically you put the glass on top and you put the handle in here, and it's wireless charging. So yeah. Goes with part of the base. Oh, maybe it's like this. Oops. And you put on top of the base. You can set it like so without using the glass itself. And here is a traveling case. Oh, this is a updated version. Okay, so basically you can put them in for your traveling use. My traveling case before, it has a USB charging plug, so it can actually get charged without using the base. Interesting. For their instruction, they actually supposed to come with a USB cable. So this is what it's supposed to be like at home. You just plug this into your wall socket and set this on top. And the light should blink. That's when it's charging. When the light stops blinking, it just means that it's fully charged. So the design is very, very nice, very elegant. And if you don't want to use the glass, or you just want to set aside for rinsing, then you just put this on top and put it like so. Voila. Is how it will get charged. It's wireless charging, so I suppose any wireless charger can also charge this as well. All right. Last but not least, my toothbrush. Ooh. All right. Assuming that everything is the same, because it's just the color difference. So my wife got the pink one and I got the black one. I believe there's also a blue one. The ones that was on sale was just the pink and the black one. The handle. So the toothbrush I get for the black one is actually black. The one for the pink one is actually white. I think that's the major difference. Everything's the same. The base for charging. Oh, I like the black one better. This one looks more elegant. And the white one, I think, is a little bit easier to get dirty. And also a different base for just setting up the toothbrush. And here's the head. And also a manual instruction, which is the same. Let me see if this one. So this is interesting. So my previous toothbrush the traveling case does come with a USB and has USB charging ability. And this one does show that it's supposed to come with USB, so I'm assuming that they just reuse the same manual, but the traveling case is supposed to have the charging ability, but right now it doesn't. So, well, that's that. All right, let's do some side-by-side comparison, compare the old and the new. So as you can see here, I have old and the new one here, but you can't really tell by just looking at it which one is the new one, which is the old model. So I mean, that's one of the good thing about this toothbrush. If it's something that's not broken, why fix it, right? So for their classic model, this apparently nothing had changed for the past 4 or 5 years, because the old one I got was over 4 years ago. So anyway, so let me show you which one is the old one, which one's the new one. So here to the left is the old one, and to the right is the new one. Aside from the bun, like the old one is greenish, the new one is just white. So that's just the toothbrush. The new one, if I turn it on, it has clean, white, gum care, and deep clean. So it has different mode, and normally I just go use the clean, the first one, which lasts for like 2 minutes. Now, obviously the the old one, my wife accidentally broke it, so it will no longer turn on. But the the number of options are exactly the same. So yeah, that's just the toothbrush. Now, what about the rest of the parts? Let me show you if there are any difference. So this is the traveling case for the toothbrush. The one on the left is the old one, and the one on the right is the new one. Now, I like the old one better because it feels rugged compared to the new one. The new one is feel a little bit slippery, but I mean the new one is it feels fancier. There's one huge difference between the two, aside from the look of the case design and whatnot. Is this: the old one has a USB port which you can recharge your toothbrush when you are traveling. The new one does not. Well, to me, that's a huge difference. One that can, all I have to do is take a USB charger, and with the case, I'm good to go. But with the new one, the new model, I cannot do that. If I travel for an extended period of time, let's say more than 4 days, I think the toothbrush be able to carry enough for at least 8 times of toothbrush twice per day. So more than 4 times, I might need to recharge it. But the thing is, it doesn't have that feature with the traveling case. Unless I have a wireless charger, then I cannot recharge my toothbrush. But with the old model, I can do that. Now, aside from that, each one of them holds the handle and also two brush heads. So same thing with here. One handle and two brush head. Yeah, so the case, the only big difference is the USB port. Well, by now you should already know that I put the old one on the left and the new one on the right. So the charging station, I'm not quite sure if you can tell, but they are exactly the same. Both of them, the old one and the new one, can be used for AC or DC outlet. And they are for 100 to 240 volt, and they are both 1.05 watts per each charging station. So the look is the same, the function is the same, and let's look at the last item, which is the glass. Can you really tell which one is the old one, new one? I can't. But you can see here it's being used. So yeah, this is the old one, and this is the new one. That's the comparison between the old and the new. So there you have it, folks. His and hers toothbrush, pink and the black one. So yeah, I think I like the black one more because it has same color throughout. Well, the pink one, the handle is pink, but the top, why cannot they just make a pink one as well? And the cable, one is black, one's just white. Come on. If you want to go with the same color theme, why can't I just make them the same color? I'm pretty sure you'll be able to sell more this way because you're going with the same color theme, right? I think I would prefer to buy black toothbrush head than just the white one. The white one I've seen a lot. This is just an unboxing of this tube. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.